All right, ready for this? We're going deep on keyboard shortcuts today.
Ooh, sounds exciting.
But not just any shortcuts. We're talking about Excel,
I like where this is going.
specifically Control plus K.
True plus K, huh? Okay.
You probably know it. It's for hyperlinks, right?
Yeah, to add a link to a website, usually?
Exactly.
Yeah.
But that's just the tip of the iceberg.
Oh, there's more to it.
Way more. This deep dive is going to blow your mind, I think.
Right. Color me intrigued. Let's hear it.
So the source we have talks about this, how Control plus K can be used for way more than just linking out to a website,
Okay, like what?
like to other places in your spreadsheet.
Wait, hold on. You mean you can link to other sheets in the same workbook?
Yes. Isn't that cool?
Whoa, that is pretty cool, actually.
I know, right?
So instead of scrolling around forever to find what I need, I can just use Control plus K to jump right there.
Boom. Exactly.
That could be a real time saver.
Oh, it definitely is, especially for those massive spreadsheets with like a million tabs.
Yeah, the ones that make you question your life choices.
Exactly. And our source even gives an example. Like, imagine you're working on a big financial model.
Oh, I don't have to imagine. I deal with those all the time.
Uh-huh. Fair enough.
But yeah, those can get super complicated.
Totally. So you might have one sheet for revenue, another for expenses, then one for cash flow, all these different tabs. And
Yeah.
instead of like clicking back and forth, hunting them down,
Yeah.
you just use Friddle plus K to link them all up.
And then, bam, I'm right where I need to be.
You got it. It's like building your own little navigation system.
Like a mini internet, but just inside my spreadsheet.
Haha. Yeah, kind of. So you're not stuck with just the way the rows and columns are laid out, you know?
Yeah, it makes it.
You can organize it however you want.
Now, the source also mentions right-clicking to get a link.
Right. It says you can just right-click and choose link.
So does that do the same thing as Control plus K?
Yeah, basically, both ways get you to the same end result. But like, which one's actually better?
Well, I'm a keyboard shortcut kind of person, you know? So for me, Control plus K is way faster.
Yeah.
But I can see how right-clicking might be easier for some folks.
True, especially those who like to visually see what they're doing.
Right. Point and click.
Exactly. It's kind of like, do you prefer using the keyboard or the mouse?
Ooh, that's a good point. It's like team keyboard versus team mouse.
I know, right? Maybe we'll have to do a whole deep dive on that someday.
That would be fun.
But yeah, like, even depending on what you're doing in the spreadsheet.
Oh, like if I'm already typing stuff in.
Yeah. Then Control plus K makes more sense.
It's because I don't have to move my hand to the mouse.
Exactly. But if you're just kind of looking around the sheet,
Hey, right.
maybe right-clicking is easier.
I see what you mean. So it really just depends.
Totally. The main thing is you have options.
Yeah, two ways to achieve the same goal.
Exactly. So in the end, Control plus K in Excel, it's not just about linking to websites, you know?
It's a whole other level of control, I guess.
It is. It's about making those spreadsheets work for you, organizing them how you think.
And saving a ton of time.
And frustration, too.
Absolutely.
Who wants to be clicking around forever?
No one, that's for sure.
So, you know, it makes you think, if this one little shortcut can do all that,
Right.
what other hidden gems are we missing out on?
I mean, we use all this software every day.
Mm-hmm.
There's got to be other cool tricks we haven't even discovered.
Oh, I bet there are.
Yeah, it's a good reminder to maybe dig a little deeper, see what else is out there.
Definitely. Who knows what kind of time-saving magic is waiting for us?
Exactly. So go forth and explore, everyone.
Happy spreadsheeting.
Ah. All right.